we all know you can't really do an inspection report until you know what the rules are, and the rules are always IICRC. We can't all be experts in every topic. So the thing I love is that you can put a word search in there. So let's say for case of a scenario, I go out and I see a green spot, and normally I'm used to seeing orange spots, and I go, green, now what would cause a green spot in the carpet? I don't have a clue at the moment. So I go back to the website, put the word green in there, and there it is. I have nailed this one.
I have the electronic version, the premium, and fantastic, because I need access to literally history, not just the current standards, and with the notes, and where you can literally cut and paste directly from the standard to a note page, and then cut and paste into Xactimate if they're using that. They press F9. They can directly quote from the standard to their report. It saves time. It's very accurate. You don't have to worry about misspelling a word. And since you can archive that answer that may be a common question, again, speed and admin work is much, much better.
You're able to have it on your phone, and if there's ever a question that arises with an adjuster as why do you need to have this piece of equipment, we can go back to the standard and say, well, if you're following the IICS 500, then we're doing it because of this. So it's a way for you to justify what you're doing. When you're removing drywall, California is very strict on the releasing silica into the air. So you needed to justify why you needed an air scrubber in that room. It was very beneficial to just go in, put in air scrubber, and then it comes off with we're in the standard where it's at.
The IICRC subscription service is one of the most drastically underpriced things there is. I mean, for everything that you're getting, it's just ridiculous how little it is compared to what it does for you. It's your most important tool.
And what I tell every one of my students is, you're absolutely crazy if you don't gain access to this information. Otherwise, you're trying to tell a story without any backup. And the IICRC, with the subscription specifically, has made it so easy to access the information, to easily cut and paste into a report and research what you need at a moment's notice.